When it comes to making breakfast or preparing a quick and easy meal for one or two, this Presto Liddle Griddle is an absolute game changer. This compact electric griddle is ideal for those who love to cook but don't need a huge cooking surface or a complicated setup. Whether you're whipping up eggs, cooking a couple of steaks, or frying some bacon, the Presto Liddle Griddle is here to make your meal prep fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Why choose the Presto Liddle Griddle? The Presto Liddle Griddle has been thoughtfully designed to offer the perfect balance between functionality, efficiency, and ease of use. If you're someone who values quick, healthy meals with minimal effort, this griddle is for you. Here's why you'll love it. Compact size for easy storage. Measuring at just 8.5 by 10.5 inches, this griddle is perfect for smaller kitchens or dorms. It's also great for couples, roommates, or solo cooks. It makes cooking for one or two people a breeze. Non-stick cooking surface. The griddle features a PFAS-Free Ceramic Nonstick surface, which ensures your food releases easily and cleanup is a breeze. It requires very little grease so you can cook healthier meals. Perfect for quick cooking. With a 1000-watt heating element, the Presto Liddle Griddle heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature so you can cook everything from eggs to steaks with perfect consistency every time. Healthier cooking with grease channel. The built-in grease tray is a standout feature that collects any drippings from fatty foods like bacon, allowing for healthier cooking. Fully immersible for easy cleanup. The griddle is completely immersible in warm soapy water once the heat control is removed. No more struggling with tough-to-clean grates or surfaces. Durable and even heat distribution. Constructed with heavy cast aluminum, this griddle resists warping and ensures your food is cooked evenly every time. Whether you're cooking a delicate omelet or searing a steak, you can trust this griddle to get the job done right. What makes the Presto Liddle Griddle stand out? The Presto Liddle Griddle isn't just a griddle. It's an essential kitchen tool for those looking for efficiency, ease, and healthier cooking. Here's why this product is truly exceptional. Perfect size for one or two people. Whether you're making a quick breakfast of eggs or a grilled cheese sandwich, the compact size is ideal for smaller portions. The 8.5 by 10.5 inch cooking surface gives you enough room to prepare a variety of meals without taking up valuable kitchen space. Healthy cooking. Unlike other griddles or frying pans, this unit features a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, which means you don't need to use excess oils or fats while cooking. This makes your meals healthier while still ensuring a perfect cook each time. Convenience and storage. Thanks to its compact design, this griddle is easy to store in tight spaces. Even better, the heat-resistant leg handles can be unscrewed to make the unit even more compact for storage, making it a perfect choice for people with limited counter or cabinet space. Effortless cleanup. Cooking should be enjoyable, not stressful, and that includes cleaning up afterward. With the fully immersible design of the Presto Liddle Griddle, all you have to do is remove the heat control and clean it with warm soapy water. No scrubbing necessary. Quick and consistent cooking. The Control Master Heat Control ensures the griddle maintains a consistent temperature, whether you're making a quick omelet or searing a steak. No more guessing about whether your griddle is too hot or too cold. Who will benefit most from the Presto Liddle Griddle? This electric griddle is perfect for small households, ideal for singles or couples. The Presto Liddle Griddle makes it easy to prepare meals for one or two people quickly, without wasting energy on a larger appliance. College students and dorm living. If you're cooking in a small space like a dorm room or shared apartment, this compact griddle is perfect. Busy professionals. For those with limited time for cooking, the Presto Liddle Griddle helps you whip up meals in no time, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Health-conscious cooks. The non-stick surface requires minimal oil, so you can enjoy healthy meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Gift givers. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The Presto Liddle Griddle is a fantastic choice for weddings, housewarmings, or birthdays, offering both practicality and versatility in the kitchen. Don't let limited kitchen space or hectic schedules stop you from enjoying delicious, healthy meals. Add the Presto Liddle Griddle to your kitchen today and start cooking with ease. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.